lamp on the mountain, it's lit. My hope for your coming, it ain't quit. Every evening, oh, I watch the roads bend. Every prayer, your name I send.
When the moon climbs, my heart finds its smile. Your memory keeps me company for a while.
When you walk through that door, this house will bloom, chasing all the shadows from this room.
A lamp ain't just a light you see,
it's a promise burning bright for you and me. You're coming, my heart's guiding light. Your smile turning everything right. I'll wait for you, steadfast and true. You're the dream I'm always reaching to. Oh, love, stay close within my heart. My darling, come home, make a brand new start.
in the wind's soft sigh, you're here, you're greeting. Beneath the vast stars, your thoughts are meeting. Every dawn brings a wish fresh and new. Every night ends with a prayer just for you.
I'll keep this lamp alight, come what may, until you return, lighting up my day. The path of love, it will always be clear, and my heart will keep smiling